I get asked all the time, do I need an LLC? How do I set up an LLC? I always chuckle a little bit when someone gets stuck in the trap of like hiring an attorney or going to LegalZoom to set up an LLC. No offense, LegalZoom, but you're not necessary. If you just Google how to start an LLC in insert state, you will usually pull up the Secretary of State's website and it will give you easy instruction on how to set up an LLC in that state. Now, I'm not saying to go without getting legal advice. You should always consult with an attorney, whether maybe some good questions would be, what state should I incorporate in or set up my LLC in? You should also consult with your tax, your accountant, your CPA, asking them, what type of LLC should I have? What type of corporate election should I choose for my LLC? Those are good questions. But setting the LLC up itself is actually quite easy. It's just some paperwork that you have to fill out. And most states have very intuitive websites where you could do it all there and you don't need to pay that extra fee. In fact, I recently had an attorney quote me. I wasn't asking them to set up an LLC. I was asking for other advice, but they threw that in anyway, and they quoted how much that they would charge to set up this specific LLC. And it was going to be $1,200 for them to set up the LLC, file all the paperwork. And I literally, I laughed. I was like, that's insane. I've set up enough LLCs in my life to know it's not that difficult. So that's about it. It's not that difficult, but consult with a CPA and an attorney for any legal or tax advice.